Natural Gang? It's your girl, Naturally Cork. And Saturday. Today. It's Saturday. Your girl looking real homeless right now. Okay. Your girl looking real homeless. Listen, guys, I got class. I'm really about to just have my camera off and call it a day. But got class. After that, got assignment. So I don't think I'm going to rinse and deep condition my hair today. I just don't feel like being in class with a wet, what I'm saying, just having products on your hair and I gotta go rinse this out, and then you miss it. It's just too much. It's too much. So what we're going to do is we're gonna wait till tomorrow after church, of course. After church, come home, rinse my hair out with just water. It's just water. It's just water. Too much TikTok. But yeah. We're gonna rinse our hair out with just water. And then instead of stripping it with a shampoo, we're just gonna continue to just add moisture in it. Of course, I'm washing my hair as usual with these twists in it. If none of them come loose, I'm not redoing them. I'm gonna do a deep conditioner treatment. That's it on my hair for 30 minutes to an hour. If not, overnight. Who knows? I don't know. But probably not, because I got work on Monday, so probably not. But it's gonna be in there, you feel me? So once I'm done with that, then I'll make sure that everything is nice and tidy and call it a day and go. We don't try around here. And go another couple days with just these twists in my hair, and then come next Friday. I don't have dates for you guys. So I don't know. Well, I'm using my phone. I don't have dates for you guys, but the dates will be somewhere down here or down there. One of the two. To let you guys know what day we're on and everything like that. But yeah, definitely plan on washing my hair Friday evening once I get home and redoing them. And instead of doing these chunky big twists that I haven't been able to wear them out because my 3 little minions back here won't allow me, and I feel like getting inflamed by anybody. You feel me? So what I'm gonna do is once I wash it and once I get it smelling back good and not looking like I'm homeless, then I am going to do I guess you could say section my hair off a little bit better and make them, instead of so chunky-ish, make them a little smaller to make it an actual style, and let that go for 2 weeks, and then your girl 30 days hopefully will be out. It has happened today on Saturday. Nothing is happening today. This is how I'm gonna look today. Period. I'll see you guys tomorrow though. Bye. What's up, Natural Gang? It's your girl, Naturally Creed. And y'all, it's Sunday night. Okay, went to church this morning. All that good stuff. As you can see, we're back in the blue. But as you can see, my edges were done. They have come up, shrivelled up. Let me show you what the hair is looking like. It is dry, y'all. As you can see, I'm not finally, but your girl is, scalp it looks clean, but could it be better? Yes, it can. So what I'm going to do is, and like I said, in the shower, I'm going to rinse, but I noticed that my hair, y'all, I don't know, it's doing something weird. I don't know if it's because I'm just using oils and it's soaking up the oils. It's nothing really keeping, I don't know. It feels funny to me. I don't know if it's because I'm letting it do this, but I'm really thinking about retwisting my hair. Instead of using just a leave-in in the oil, actually go in with a curling butter or a curling cream. Just so when it is not all frizzy, and I can wear it out and not wear these wear the stuff on my head and stuff like that, and causing this area to be sore. if that makes any sense. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rinse this in the shower. I'm gonna go through and basically every twist, like this twist right here, I might break up into two, and I'm gonna make sure my parts are a little bit better, because what I can see is happening is that my hair is going to get tangled. You know what I'm saying? Like if I wash this, I feel like the parts that are going into, you see what I'm saying? Like that's all shafty looking, and I don't, like want my hair to be getting like very knots, a single strand knots, and then I have to cut it. You see what I'm saying? Okay, sis, I'm gonna pause you right there. Okay, because I think we confuse some folks. Okay, so what I'm trying to say to you is, sis, is that my hair is creating its own natural oils, and so adding oils on top did nothing but dry my scalp out and collect dirt. So that is why my hair felt funny, because it felt dry on the scalp, but the hair itself felt a little bit more moisturized than normal. When I'm talking about the parts in my hair, like, sis, these parts were nothing. These parts were trash. So I was scared to wash my hair because in the actual twist, because I didn't want to get any knots, because I had multiple pieces of hair from just different places and they just were not cohesive. Okay, they weren't cohesive. So that is why I'm going in with the butter, to give myself a little bit more hold on my hair, because just doing it with the oils and things like that, it wasn't doing anything for my hair. So that is something that I noticed. Okay, you may continue. The whole process is going to be rinse my hair, deep condition for 10-15 minutes, and then rinse that out, and then take these twists loose, redo them with, a butter, well, a leave-in, a butter, and a sealant, which is my oil. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing. Deep condition, leave-in, butter, oil, in that order. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is what my hair is looking like thanks to my deep conditioning treatment. Y'all, this stuff is the truth. It does my curl. Look at them. Just look at them. As you can see, my pattern in the front is totally different from this in the back. I believe in my mind that this is 4C. Y'all see my little pimple? Say hello. But I believe in my mind this is 4C hair, and this is, I think I got all the fours in my hair, to be honest. But what I'm about to do is go in with this leave-in conditioner by TGen, green tea, super moist leave-in conditioner, and it's for dry damage and or color treated hair. So I'm about to go ahead and do that, and once I do that, I will be back to show you guys what it's looking like with the leave-in in there, while my bathroom is still warm, so that my hairs don't dry out. And then after that, you won't see me again until I've completely twisted my hair with the Texture ID Coils Twist Butter, which has sweet almond oil, honey, and yogurt extract. And it seals in moisture and conditions dry hair and scalp. And I'm also going in with my Beautify by Chana oils, so I'll be back to show you guys that full process. Okay. Alright guys, so this is how I'm looking with my leave-in on my hair. Now I am going to go in on my scalp with my Beautify by Chana oils. And I'm also going to take some of this vitamin E oil and just put it on my fingertips as well. I'm gonna start with this one and then go in with my actual oils that I've been using for the past 7 days. Just do all that, get it in there, put it all on my twists, and like I said, I'm gonna go in with my oils on my scalp and everything. My hair, yeah, it is white from the leave-in because I did put a lot on there, but it's also because I did not apply my leave-in in the shower like I usually do. If I apply it in the shower, it usually takes a little bit better to go into and penetrate my hair strands. But what I'm gonna do is, as I go through and do my twist, if I see that there's like gonna be a lot of residue or it might not go well with the twist butter, then I will take it out. But I'm not gonna, be in my hair. The goal is to not be in your hair as much as possible. So far, this is what I've lost in both the shower and using just my detangling brush, which isn't bad for 7 days. And I say that because I have had worse due to the breakage situation. So it's not bad at all. But I'm gonna go in with this oil, which is the Grow Long Hair Elixir, Essential Hair Growth Elixir. As you can see, I have been using this, y'all. Y'all thought I was playing. I don't play. Okay? Don't play. Yeah, I'm gonna get all in there. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go twist by twist, you know, do better sections and a better style where I'm not having to wear, you know, these tight scarves on my hairline and different like things like that when I go to work. But I'll be able to rock my twist out. Well, not my twist out, but rock my twist for the next 7 days. And if they look good enough, you never know, I might go into week 3 with it. But yeah, but stay tuned. Once I come back, my twist will be completely done, and the girl will be ready to go to bed. Of course, we gotta do our infamous scalp massage, honey. So we're gonna do that and get into this twisting process. If you have not seen when I have done 2-strand twists, the video will be linked right here, and that way you can go and look at it and see it for yourself. But y'all, be back, beauties. Hey guys, coming back to you for an update. As you can see, my hair is not done, but my texture ID does not mix well with my leave-in conditioner. So what we're going to do is twist my hair with the leave-in instead, because I put it on my hair and I saw the little, you see what I'm saying, like the little white balls, and I didn't like that. I didn't want my hair, you know what I'm saying, you don't want it to look like that. So I'm just going to twist it as is. It is fresh, it is clean, and I'll just apply oil afterwards. But I don't want to use any gels or anything like that. I'm just gonna let it do what it do a leave-in, and well, use my leave-in and some oil and call it a day. Okay guys, this is what my hair is looking like week 2. Put this here so I can stretch my front a little bit, but this is what my hair is looking like. As you can see, the shrinkage is real, but the curls are popping. I love this leave-in. Hopefully it dries and sets really, really well. I did do my back. I tried to do my tiny ones as tiny as possible. You know, you can tell like there's a lot of volume right here, but that is okay because that's what we're going back. But this is it. Sunday. I don't know the day's date, but of course, you know, I'm gonna put it, you know, I gotta know I get lost. But this is how I'm gonna be. Hopefully if this week goes good, who knows, I might keep it, you know, the next following week. So yeah, but I will see you guys later on this week to give you guys an update on my hair and how it's looking. Shut up. On how it's looking. And how it's looking. Good night, guys.